welcome back to Lorna with a pinch of salt. I don't know about you, but I've been wondering, what am I going to cook for the next couple of days? So I've been browsing the web for some ideas and inspiration, and I came across the Knorr 21-day meal plan. The recipes are simple, nutritious, and delicious. And you know your girl's all about a simple and delicious recipe. The first recipe that grabbed my attention is the creamy chicken liver and mushroom pasta. I mean, come on, how delicious, delectable, and mouth-watering does that sound? Super simple, and this is how I made it. Okay, my love bugs, so on the recipe it does say use 1 green pepper, but I've added another red pepper just to give it some color, because you know you eat with your eyes and you want everything to be bright and lush and amazing. So here we go. The Robertson's crushed chili. Okay, my love bugs, so while that kind of becomes a thing of beauty, I'm gonna take my beef stroganoff, snip it up like that, pour it in with some milk, stir it up. Oh, listen to that! And the magic is literally just pouring all of that, oh man, onto our chicken livers. And that's where the magic is. Oh, so excited. How creamy and absolutely delicious does that look? All I need to do now is garnish some parsley and dinner is ready. That looks so delicious. I can't wait to dig in. Nothing makes me more excited than good food. My love bugs, don't forget to go to the Knorr Whatsfordinner website for more delicious recipes. Subscribe and download the plan, and you literally have a recipe pop up daily. Now I'm going to dig in because, honey, I'm tired of talking, and if we're not eating, then I don't know what we're doing. Oh, look at that.